Hello, my name is Karim Zakher, and I will share with you my top 10 rules for successful investing. If you like this web capsule, I would appreciate it if you could share it with your friends and family. Okay, let's get started. Rule number 1, diversification. Diversifying a portfolio is vital. Over-diversifying or under-diversifying a portfolio are common mistakes made in portfolio management. Rule number 2, asset allocation. How you divide your portfolio among different asset categories will be the biggest determinant of your investment returns. Many investors fail because they put little effort and thought into their asset allocation strategy. Top investing rule number 3. Excess in one direction will lead to excesses in the opposite direction. Think of it as an elastic rubber band. Any action too far in one direction not only brings you to the baseline, but leads to an overshoot in the opposite direction. Sincerely, it works the same way in the stock market or in asset categories in general, including real estate. Top rule number 4. There are no new eras. Excesses are never permanent. Whatever the latest hot sector is, eventually it will overheat and it will probably burst. Just like the tech wreck of 1999, the bubble in 2007 in the US market, in particular the real estate market. Top rule number 5. Exponential rising markets or falling markets can go on further and longer than you think, often to the point of defying logic. But be rest assured, fundamentals and logic always prevail. Rule number 6. Fear and greed are stronger than long-term resolve. Investors can be their worst enemy, particularly when emotions take hold. Investment rule number 7. This is simple enough. Bear market, or markets I should say, have 3 steps. Sharp down, they tend to rebound, and then they tend to have a slow downtrend. Investment rule number 8. When all the experts and forecasters agree in general that the markets are going in one direction, often something else happens. If everyone is optimistic, think about it. Who is left to buy? Hardly anyone. And when everyone is pessimistic, who is left to sell? The selling's been exhausted. Rule number 9. This is simple enough. We all like it. Bull markets are way more fun than bear markets. And my favorite, rule number 10. The public often buys the most at the top and the least at the bottom. So, in conclusion, follow these top 10 successful investing tips. Have a financial plan in place. Use your investment advisor as a good source of information. Follow your plan frequently, and you'll have great compounding return in the long term. Thank you and have a wonderful autumn.